Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a convenient kitchen appliance that streamlines the egg cooking process, making it a breeze to prepare delicious hard-boiled eggs with ease. With its 6-egg capacity, this electric egg cooker offers efficiency and simplicity for all egg lovers. Crafted in sleek black plastic, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a stylish addition to any kitchen. Its compact design, measuring 7.5 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, makes it easy to store and use without taking up much space. Weighing only 16 ounces, this egg cooker is lightweight and portable, allowing you to move it around your kitchen or even take it with you on trips for a quick and easy way to cook eggs wherever you go. The Dash brand is known for its innovative kitchen gadgets and the Rapid Egg Cooker.
Number 4, I recently had the opportunity to test the Textom's heavy-duty latex gloves, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed. These gloves are a game-changer when it comes to heavy-duty tasks. The first thing that caught my attention was the high-quality rubber material used in these gloves. Not only is the rubber durable, but it also provides excellent protection for your hands during tough jobs. The Textom's brand is known for its reliable products, and these gloves are no exception. The attention to detail and craftsmanship is evident in every aspect of the design. The 2-count size, pack of 1, is convenient, ensuring you always have a spare pair on hand when needed. The bold 22 inches color makes them easy to spot in any working environment. One of the standout features of these gloves is their heavy-duty capabilities. Whether you're working on construction sites, landscaping projects, or any other demanding tasks, these gloves can handle it all.
Number 3, the Cuisinart ice cream maker is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, combining functionality and style seamlessly. Crafted by Cuisinart, a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, this ice cream maker comes in an elegant brushed chrome color that adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop. With a capacity of 1.23 cubic feet, this ice cream maker allows you to create delicious frozen treats for your family and friends without any hassle. The programmable feature sets it apart, enabling you to customize your desserts to perfection with ease. Constructed with a durable blend of stainless steel and plastic, the Cuisinart ice cream maker ensures longevity and reliability. The materials used not only guarantee a sleek design, but also make it easy to clean and maintain. Whether you're a dessert enthusiast or just looking to add a fun appliance to your kitchen, the Cuisinart ice cream maker is a versatile and user-friendly option that delivers quality results every time.
Number 2. The Victoria cast iron tortilla press is a reliable kitchen tool designed for crafting traditional tortillas and rotis with ease. Crafted by Victoria, a trusted brand known for quality kitchen products, this tortilla press is made of durable cast iron, ensuring long-lasting performance. The manual operation of this tortilla maker provides you with the traditional culinary experience while allowing you to control the thickness and size of your tortillas. The 8-inch capacity enables you to make perfectly sized tortillas for various recipes. Its classic black color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the sturdy cast iron construction ensures stability during use. The compact design makes it easy to store and clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or someone who enjoys homemade meals, the Victoria cast iron tortilla press is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of creating delicious tortillas and rotis.
Number 1, the KitchenAid KFC 3516 WH 3.5 cup food chopper is a reliable kitchen appliance from the trusted brand KitchenAid. With a sleek white design and compact dimensions of 5.95 D into 7 W into 8.74 H, this food chopper is a practical addition to any kitchen space. One standout feature of this product is its cord storage functionality, allowing for a clean and organized countertop when not in use. The 3.5 cup bowl capacity is ideal for everyday food preparation tasks, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking needs. The KitchenAid KFC 3516 WH 3.5 cup food chopper combines functionality with style, making it a versatile and convenient tool for food enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're chopping vegetables, herbs, nuts, or making sauces, this food chopper is designed to streamline your cooking process efficiently. Overall, the KitchenAid KFC 3516 WH 3.5 cup food chopper is a valuable addition to any kitchen, offering practical features, reliable performance, and a compact design.